Sanibonani. Kwenzakalani la?
Sorry?
Kwenzalani?
Ngapha sibangana indawo yokuthengisa kuyini.
Nibanga indawo yokuthengisa.
Yebo.
Uthingime ngapha. Uthingime ngapha nje. Amalida wenu aphi?
Nawo ngaphaya.
Aku.
Indawo yalani baba ne? Baba. Indawo yalani bathi thina singabantu bangaphandle. Singathengi sazothengisa bona lana abantu.
Ndazarumela wena kabaphathi bakhuluma le.
Yeah,
Uzakhuluma
bakhuluma
bakhuluma baphathi.
Sanibonani. Abaphathi abobani? Abobani abaphathi? Abobani abaphathi?
Yimi lo.
Sawubona kunjani baba?
Sikhona njani?
Ukhuluma no baba wase KHD Media. Baba ubani?
Usithole.
Baba Usithole kwenzakalani?
Lana idlaminyana nje likhona nje lokuthi amashanga namakanga. Manje abebethi bathi ama foreigner illegal aba amabambe kungcono. Manje mina ngize lana ngoba ngine forum mina yamashanga. Ngimshanga myself. Ngizwe ngezwile ethi amashanga namakanga angathengisi. Athi no, kunabantu abayicitizen eSouth Africa. Ungamashangana. But bakhona amashangana illegal. So umsebenzi wamaphoyisa lo msebenzi wegovernment ukuidentify umuntu ukuthi une ID noma akanayo na. Hayi ukuphuma igroup inyana abantu nje fike ithi abantu mabanga. No, ayikho right sign fair. So bayile kumasipara le ndawo le is free ukuthi bathenge. So bathi no mina mangiye kumasipara ngithi no angeke ngiye kumasipara. Mangiye kumasipara neforum le mayiye kumasipara. So manje sigcine sicela iforum ukuthi sihlanganene nabo sikhulumisane.
Iforum yabobani yabobani?
Iforum ya la ethengisana ngoba iphetho baba umhlobo. So mina ngamtshela eyami iforum so ngathi masikhulumisane. So ngathi izolunga manje lento.
So nihlangene nakhuluma?
Asikakhulumi khona sifuna ukukhuluma.
Babuntsele.
Mina manje itazwa ngaka.
Bagay. Chapeau Jean. Bana beso Jean. Kibo mamba leading forum ya batho ba mo Mzansi. Bani se kibulele bona. Kibo mamba leading this thing.
Yeah, jogona.
All right. Abutu Jean.
Chapeau Jean.
Sharp ke tswa KHD Media. Ke se kibulele le ntate bani. So ne ke botsa hore hantle go kopanetsweng today mo.
Kopano ya kasheno this exercise re ka dile last week le go wane. The problem ke ho ntsha illegal immigration batho ba tswang ka ntle ba senang tokelo ya go occupy stand tsa ba di-workers because according to South African law molao wa rona o re motho a tlang ka ntle a batla ho dira business in South Africa o tlameha a start ka 5 million rand. And so we think as South Africans mosebetsi wa ho rekisa di-workers ke mosebetsi o leng hore o tlameha ho preserve le rona ka di-local because bana ba rona ba dutse locationeng they are smoking ya office even those people ba hlangana they are proud ka hore rona we are useless bana ba rona ba tsuba nyawo and so we want those people ba dutse ka ramakeshi ba tla ba tlonga advantage ya go ba ipile le bona ba rekisitse bana ba
told to say when people they must leave and when so they make people conflict these people.
So the ultimate end of this meeting le batla go lona ho fele ba tsamaya
bona ga batla fela ba tsamaya
so because kutlwa ntate ena o re illegal foreigners tlamele le tsamaise illegal foreigners not every foreigner because ba bang ba na di paka le reng ka
batho ba nang le
bona ba bana le di-ID ho shapo mara ga ba batle ba paise ka mona tsatsa ke ntwe ya motse bana ba bo bona ba bolawa ke dinyana be galaso di gana di sazane why ba changana go this space ba tsa di ba go ba khone kopane ba changana go this space
leader re bua ka immigrant law it consisted only 3 things. Immigrant law, nothing more, nothing less. Immigrant law, it consisted only 3 things. Number 1, as a foreigner, you come in South Africa if you are bringing a scarce skills. Number 2, you come in South Africa if you are going to school. Number 3, you come in South Africa when you're going to invest with more than 5 million and above. That's a section 43 of the immigrant law. So let us stick on that.
No man, Africa says no. I'm never going to say no. I'm a universal, I say no. When are you against the
Then I This is a pyramid of the wealth. What you want? That's what the